Hello once again. I'm holding a beautiful and one of the slimmest scissor we have, and this is 6.5 inch, our official model, as you can see. And here is a model number GI18/110. It comes with the beautiful handmade pouch along with the beautiful unbreakable comb and a cube of oil, and it has some convex edges, as you can see. It is the sharpest scissor and slimmest scissor we have. Free shipping in Europe and UK, and worldwide shipping available. And if you guys have any inquiries, feel free to contact us. Thank you. Bye.